the Acting Executive Director of Junior Achievement Nigeria. I'm thrilled to share our ambitions and aspirations for 2024 with all of you. Our mission at Junior Achievement Nigeria has always been to inspire and prepare young people to succeed in the global economy. And this year, we're aiming higher than ever before. In 2024, our goal is to reach an incredible 200,000 young people across Nigeria through our impactful programs. We believe that by focusing on entrepreneurship, digital literacy, work readiness, and financial literacy, we can empower the next generation to thrive in a rapidly evolving world. And how do we plan to achieve this? Our theme for the year is AIR: Accelerate, Impact, and Reach. We aim to accelerate our efforts, increase our impact, and extend our reach to more young minds, transforming their lives through education and empowerment. But we can't do this alone. We're actively seeking partnerships and sponsorships like never before. We believe in the power of collaboration, and we want to work closely with organizations in the youth ecosystem, corporate entities, government agencies, and individuals who share our passion for empowering the youth. If you or your organization are looking for meaningful ways to make a difference, consider sponsoring our initiatives. Your sponsorship or support will help us create a lasting impact on the lives of thousands of young people. But it's not just about financial support. We also welcome volunteers to join in delivering our programs. Individuals and organizations can partner with us through volunteering. Your time and expertise can make a significant difference in the lives of these young minds. As we embark on this journey, let's remember that the power to create change lies within each one of us. Together, let's accelerate our efforts, increase our impact, and reach new heights. Thank you for your support, and let's make 2024 a year of transformation and empowerment for the youth of Nigeria. Thank you.